our mentors are explained very clearly, particularly each task. Our mentees, very dynamic and active, are all ready to taking the English medium classes because of our mentors. We learn how to face the problems which are arising in our day-to-day classroom. It's only success when we are continuing this English language and communication day by day. So I request all of you continue the next 3 weeks online courses to fulfill the balance to learn the English language and communication. These three weeks, then only the course will be completed. Otherwise, it is not.
Respected my senior teachers and my colleagues and all my mentees. Sir, here I think after completion of this 5 days ELEC course, we, our mentors, fulfill what we learned in 5 days training, in our 5 days training, but completely streaming into your brains. I think it is fulfill our aim. All of you know, we sustain in our English medium schools. We want to teach in English. We should teach in English. We should speak in English. Parents are very interested to join their students and they wish to speak their children in English and study their children in English medium schools. This is one opportunity to all of you know, after COVID, we strengthen our schools and in all government schools strength is increased. And second, this is another task to us to maintain, sustain English medium schools.
Our confidence, because so many teachers are familiar to me, especially Sir Prabhakar Reddy sir and Raypan Srinivasarao sir, Ainaya sir. So many teachers are familiar to us. So I feel some better compared to spell 2. Spell 1 is familiar to me. So anyway, thank you so much for giving this opportunity as a mentor in this 5 days course. So I feel very happy, very glad to stand before you. So please forgive me and excuse me if anything wrong by me. So because I am the Telugu medium background student from my graduation also, so I have learned.
Sir, Srinivasarao sir, always encouraged me. You have to come. You have to participate in our activities. He sometimes forced me also. He encouraged me very well. So I would like to say thanks to. This is the right time, the right platform to say thanks to him. Next person is Prabhakar Reddy garu. He also Prabhakar Reddy garu and R. Srinivasarao garu both are very good friends. Water and fire, like Tribula, water and fire. Both are encouraged me. Being a SRP, sit like a normal teacher, and when we give a activity, we do the same. We never feel like a SRP.
This is a good opportunity to me. So we should follow some tips to improve our language, improve our pronunciation, improve our vocabulary, create some incidents like a story or other choices, situations, improve our self-talks, leave our hesitations, shyness. First, we leave that. We start with small sentences with our friends, with our colleagues, with our students. Share your views in intervals. Think in English, eat in English, speak in English. You create English environment in your interval time in your school, then we will improve our English. This is very good opportunity to me. Share my views, interact in some videos.
How should we run the 8 sections without you? So Murli sir said that time, nothing to worry. Biology teacher is a multi-talented and multitasking in nature. She can do anything. She can bear this burden. So you don't worry about that. So I felt very happy. So sir encouraged me a lot. I am very thankful to Murli Mohan sir in this occasion as a biology teacher. That's my great gratitude to Murli sir once again. So in this session, I would like to share some views. Our mentors, they gave us each day different type of tasks. So they facilitated, elicited and encourages us to respond to their task like skit. That is first skit to me, I already told.
We have lot of content, but how to express are not able to in the classroom. Sometimes we face problems, but after completion of this program, this teaching, this 5 days program, and after we complete 3 weeks program also, and in this total 3 weeks program and 5 days face-to-face program, we have successfully complete, and after completion of this program course by the schedule given by
In my youth, this program is very successfully completed. Because this is very essential. It's time for to learn English because Telugu medium sections are in endangered state. In many government schools, only consist single digits, 1 or 2, 3, 10 below. Only exist English medium sections only in government schools. That's why mandatorily we teach English medium schools. And I am very thankful to our mentors.
They are given a good cooperation and also they are given a good guidance from the first day. Sir, here from 5 days you are learning more. You lose your style. Thereafter, it is from years together you are teach Telugu medium people. It is not easy to teach the English medium easily. The course is very useful to us. We make confidence. All of my mentees are also participated very interestingly.
Our mentors are active and so friendly and encourage everyone to speak something.
Thing is, the motivational speaker, Sri Murthy sir, gives the valuable things about how to speak in English easily. I would like to English, but some fear is there. some grammatical mistakes are there. I think that, but fully energy, full energy inject the Murthy sir to us. All are speaking without fear in English. He says in easy way. When we expressed our ideas freely in English as well as Telugu, then we can reach our goal. How to speak in English while we are teaching in classroom.
We are teachers. We are trying our level best to speak in English. There may be some grammatical mistakes or making up the sentence mistakes, whatever it may be. So what I observed from first day to fifth day, in the first day only 5 to 6 mentees are involved in the discussion. And in the second day, so that number is gradually enhanced, and come to the final day, each and every mentee is ready to speak in English. So that much energy we gained through this 5 days time. So, and now onwards, what I am advising all of you, including myself, when we are talking with your friends, when we are talking with our students, even in phone call or physically, whatever it may be, when we met our teacher friends in school, in lunchtime, so whenever, wherever, in any day, if you continue speaking in this way in English, automatically we will perfect in English.
Mentors is also nice persons. They are calmly show the videos and worked by hours. They are cool and they completed their schedule, daily schedule without any disturbance. And in our first spell, experienced teachers, mainly our school complex center sir, Srinivas Rao sir, Prabhakar sir, they are very tell the very valuable information about subject. And I am also 30 years back. Many information are in our mind. I got MSc degree, but I worked at 20 years in primary schools and also family burdens I fought. But in this session, I recall my knowledge and transforming society. We are all welcome this English medium in our schools. This is the happiest thing to us. So automatically we are also tuned to that medium. We are all well-known, experienced teachers here, biology teachers. After a long time we met due to this training. So we are all refreshed what we have in our brain or body. So this should be exposed on our students. Thank you.
While we implementing in our school, that is actually our motto. I think the confidence levels of these 3 mentors has increased by this training. I want that reason. And one more thing, we are searching for new resource, totally new resource for the DBSF. So I found some of the resource numbers. I will collect those phone numbers later. Actually, CRD sent some messages, enlarged messages to RLU Mysore program. I am in that program. But I want to participate here to set up so many talents are there. Actually, we require so many talented resource persons like mentors, and so many works are ongoing, so many works are coming actually related to the new NCF. So I found that so many young and talented teachers are there to participate in this program. Thank you once again. And I think all of we implement this same at our institutes also. Why? Because all the mentors have succeeded to create a learning environment, a speaking environment by creating some of the themes. So I think they fulfilled the program. Thank you, thank you.
Group. It's about 94. And then it is transformed to mentors. Anyhow, I learned something. I feel I have a lot of treasure, words, especially in English. I worked as a MRG group member, but especially for English once. Even though I am not full-fledged in the media of English, but through this platform, I learned some keys to open what I called the words treasure. So, thank you very much.
Training. I learned lot of English language. I am feeling very happy to work with all well experienced co-mentees and mentors. In this 5 days program, I participate some skits, some discussions. On that participations, I made lot of mistakes. Praveen sir captured all discussions in mobiles. After participation, I watched that videos. I observed my mistakes, what I have made. So that video recognize my mistakes, overcome mistakes.
Undoubtedly, a teacher is the torch bearer. A teacher's role in a student's can neither be explained in words nor be measured by length. Next, about our training. The ELEC training program will play an excellent role in the modern way of education. Our mentors, Madhavi Garu, Praveen Garu, Ranjit Garu, has taught all the topics with a lot of dedication and commitment. After observing their commitment, the definition of the mentor may be redefined like this. M for magnanimous, E for educator, N for noble, T for teaching, O for optimal, R for ruling. Finally, a mentor means a magnanimous educator with noble teaching and optimal ruling. With a humble heart and heartfelt gratitude, I sincerely thank all my mentors who made these 5 days like a learning festival.
I'm working as a Telugu medium. First, when I was in the city, I was posted Bhadrachalam Mandal. So, completely it's a tribal village. So, I learned some tribal words also, 3 or 4, to in my life. So, after నా లైఫ్ వచ్చాక నా డైలీ బేసిస్ నేను ఫుల్ఫిల్ చేసుకోవడం కోసం I used some 5 or 6 words. Then at that time I used that frequent I used that 6 words. So at the first moment I got some negative impression. By looking the second day and when I entered into the second day, he is very nice to me. So all my fear and hesitation and all of them are slowly they got away. At first I want to thank you to my mentors and they support me to my mentees.
This program is successful. Actually, in school, my best friend in Telugu Pandit, I participated in Telugu. Tomorrow onwards, I go to school. I speak in English by my friend. Thank you.